Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn that how you can change the currency on Coinbase account. So guys, to begin with, you need to open your Coinbase application on your device. If you have set up a pin, then open that one as well. So from here you need to go to the menu. Once you access to the menu, you need to tap on profile and settings. From here you need to scroll down a bit where you will find native currency right here. So all you need to do is to tap on the native currency, and here are the list of the currencies available which are supported by Coinbase. So you can choose according to your preference. It may be because you have changed the country where you're living, or you just want to change to any currency which suits you more, and you want to see the prices or anything on Coinbase according to that currency. So here you can choose any currency by just tapping on that one. Suppose, just for example, I want to change it to this one. So once you tap on that, it will take a bit of time, and now your native currency will be changed to that one. And you can change the native currency anytime that you want. So guys, this is how you can change currency on Coinbase application. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.